Hi guys, so we're in Eva right now and we're going to check out Jollibee.
In an orange sky by the ocean blue, every mile loves my soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the golden view, walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need.
Alright, we're gonna try the burger first. It's actually a well-placed burger. There's like bacon on there, ham, and meat, and lettuce, so let's take a bite. Not bad at all. For a fast food burger, I definitely rate this an 8 out of 10. It's quite decent burger actually. Good job, Jollibee. So in the Philippines, you can't have fast food restaurants without spaghetti. It's a famous thing in the Philippines. They put spaghetti in any fast food place. So we're going to try this. It's really good. It's a little sweet. So for the Europeans, this is not normal spaghetti. This is sweet spaghetti, but it tastes really good. I really enjoy it. Truly bita ang saya.
Hi guys! So we just had a good meal at Jollibee earlier. So we are here at Iba Town Center and we just stroll around. So let's go.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up all my broken pieces, took them all and made yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed.
Bags.
Hi Bobby!
Hi!
I remember something from the photos that you sent.
What?
This.
How do you remember something like that?
There's a photo of you like coloring.
Oh, that's true. When I was like a little kid.
Can you hold it?
Da chamada, chamada, na cena. Chamada, 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 na cena. Matada, chamada, chamada, na cena. Matada, chamada, chamada, na cena. Chamada, chamada, body fine, it's a Coca-Cola. Hold on. No one no sleep and I swear too total. Throwing it back when I press rewind. Losing her mind when she see that motion. Yeah, straight to the bag, getting racks in the morning. Star boy on the phone named Marin. Feels like Brazil, how the man them ballin'. Shoot my shot, then I'm scoring. No one does it better. Body curving, how she swerving like a trafficker. We can have a party in the favela. Body curving, how she swerving like a trafficker. We can have a party in the You never seen this before. Now I go full songs on a billboard. You don't even know about me, no. You should listen to so much, you know.
Oh my God!
So we had a long day today, so we're going to end the video here. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.